Are you a property claims insurance adjuster? Have you been in the industry for several years and now you're tired of the grind? Would you like to increase your earning potential while also having more quality time with your family? Sick and tired of the ever-increasing, unrealistic deadlines, status reports, reserve reports, final reports, and decreasing fee schedules? Did you know that there's a way that you can upgrade your quality of life permanently and never have to go back to dealing with any of these headaches? And you can do this without becoming a public adjuster. There is an insurance claims career that is so much better, and I want you to have it. We created a comprehensive online course that teaches you exactly how to start a property insurance claim appraisal business from A to Z. You can have your very own claims appraisal business up and running within 2 to 4 weeks. Click here to find out more.